Antique wind-up alarm clock, all metal construction. It's currently working. It keeps good time. The alarm works well. The maker of this antique clock is the Ansonia Clock Company, manufacturing, USA. There is some staining to the edge of this face between 3 and 7 o'clock. It's a 4-inch wide diameter clock, about 2.5 inches thick. Everything works well. The alarm's currently set. You set and turn the alarm on and off by moving this latch, which locks the clanger up underneath. So we'll move this clock, the time up to, currently the alarm is set for about 9:30 or so. So we'll go ahead and advance the time. So you can hear the alarm go off, and I'll then shut the alarm off, so we'll move it along. Turn off the alarm. You simply move the latch to freeze up the clanger. Nice loud alarm, definitely jump you out of bed. And then we'd have to wind up the alarm again for the next day, as well as keep the clock running well. There's a tag on this clock that says it was completely reconstructed in October of 1981. Very, very good time. This was prior to my owning it, so this was over 30 years ago, but the clock has stood the test of time, pardon the pun, and make it be yours. Very cool working antique. Thanks for looking. Ansonia wind-up alarm clock in the sunshine.